that's been on all your rides, that drives your car when you are in 440 land listening to a song and some guy comes zipping down the highway. Now, 432 is a skydive. 432 is moving just enough so that the fastball blows by your head without walking right into it, because you're not relaxed enough to see what's happening, because you can bend. You can just do things reaction-wise that allow the speed to catch up with the effort of the source-protected thing, and it's all relaxation. That's the irony of skydiving. If you skydive out here with fear and 440 and you're tight, the wind is going to manage you. But you jump out of that plane and you go, this. Now you can look around. You just have to move your body a little to get where you need to go. So, you were the wind. That's how you get to experience it as the other side. That's 1.3. The wind is 1.3. The analogies go on about who we are. So have a great day. Love your neighbor as yourself. Be happy.